Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you how you can group tasks in your workspace on ClickUp. So let us get started right away. Head over to your workspace on ClickUp and access, for example, a to-do list like that here in your space. So let me add, for example, these two tasks into one group. So this is how you can do it, guys. Start by selecting the first task you'd like to edit, click on it, and assign a tag or a label by clicking on empty here if the given task hasn't been assigned to any tag or label yet. So after that, you may, for example, select one of these labels below or simply create a new one by simply entering a name. So let me name the group or label, for example, group 2 or something like that. Press enter to confirm, and that is going to create the given label so that now the given task has been added to that group or has been labeled with that tag. And you may simply repeat the same process with the next task. So let me close that window really quickly and head over to the editing or setup of task number 2. Click on tags here and assign the newly created group to it. That's how it works. So you may repeat that as often as you like with your tasks. So how can you, for example, sort by or filter by groups here in your overview of tasks? It is actually very simple, guys. What you want to do is, for example, click on customize here in the top right, and after that you will see that option here, group. So what you want to do, guys, is click on it and, for example, select the group by down below, like for example priority or tags, in this case here tags, and simply after that select whether you'd like that list to be ascending or descending, or clear that setup, and you will see all groups listed here to the left with the associated tasks. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.